Pag sinagot nila yon, OG, tapos minura niya yung mga anak ko or sinigawan, masisira na yung mood, di ba? Imbis na enjoy nila yung once-in-a-lifetime wedding of their sister. He kept calling, only to find out.
Nasa reception sila.
Oh yeah, non-stop. And nagpa-party na eh. Nagsispeeches na, nag-aano na, you know. So they didn't wanna answer because they know Dennis very well, right? Finding out the next day from Claudia na, hindi na hawak phone niya, bride siya eh, di ba? So wala siyang hawak, di ba? To find out, he kept calling her the whole night of her wedding. And then, di pa nakontento si Dennis on the first day of Claudia being married. He kept calling her up at 6 a.m. Imagine mo yun, nataterrorize yung mga bata. 6 a.m. you're calling the bride, di ba? And then, buti na lang naka-silent to phone niya. And then, ang message ni Dennis, kaninong paka na to, Chloe? Ikaw ba o nanay mo? Grabe. Talagang you wanted to destroy that day for everybody. Kung naghuminahon si Dennis, sana alamin niya muna yung totoo.